This Conti coffee machine, if you want to close pump on the bottle like this, it may not pump to the boiler. You have a program for close the water for the machine. I will show you. If you don't want to pump to the boiler, you can close it. You switch the machine off and press key P2 with P4 group 1. So now we keep fresh and turn the machine on. So like this, I mean the bowl espresso with the bowl black coffee. So like this, to close the water to the boiler, and then turn the machine off and wait a few minutes. Turn it on back. Now the pump is closed. If you want to test, you can move the water out. Okay, the pump not working. It means the pump is closed. You can listen again. Yeah, but the pump not working. So we close the water now. If you want to pump back, you can press. The pump not working. If you want to the water back, you can press this P1 with P4 again. Keep fresh like this and turn the machine on. Just so like this. This is turn on the pump. So switch out the machine. Wait a few minutes. Turn the machine on, the pump will working.